So over here, you can see that I have these particular images right here. Let me just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, a view right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto review mode right here. Then you got the image carousel, as you can see right here. So you can see all of the images, and let's say what I want to do is I want to keep the images in carousel that I select as a collection. So I can simply go around over here, press down to actually go ahead and remove these out from the carousel right here. So let's say, for example, I got these images, and let's say I want to go around and remove out these repetitive images right here. Simply go around, press down right here just like this, and you can go ahead and remove it. So let's just go around, press down, down, down to remove out the images that I don't want right here. And then let's say, for example, I got some other images right here. So let's just go around, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, and these are the images that I have left. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and then click on this button right here just like this, and now you can see that there's this collection from review mode. So I'm just going to go around and say new collection selected, let's say, for example, and press OK, and that gets added into the collection, and you got the 9 images that you have selected in the carousel. So if I were to go around onto review mode, then this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then keep images in carousel as a collection, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.